In this video you will learn how to fix Apple Store billing problem, check your payment method, open settings, then go to your name, then payment and shipping, make sure your credit or debit card or Apple ID balance is up to date, update your payment information. If your payment method has expired or changed, tap edit payment method and update the details and save the changes. Verify billing address. Ensure your billing address matches exactly with the one registered to your bank or card provider to avoid any mismatch. Check for outstanding purchases. Go to settings, then your name, then media and purchases and view account, and then purchase history, and see if any unpaid transactions are causing the issue. Restart your device and try again. A quick restart of your iPhone or iPad can refresh the Apple App Store and clear temporary errors, blocking your billing update. Contact Apple Support if the problem persists. If your billing error still occurs, contact Apple Support through the Apple Support app or website for further assistance. Now you know how to fix Apple Store billing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.